Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. All of my videos are for only inspirational purposes. Today I'm making green chicken bun for my children with spinach. I don't have much spinach in the garden right now because it's winter, but whatever I have, alhamdulillah, enough for today. And I'm happy with the recipe because finally I will be able to make my children eat spinach without making any fuss. Let's go see how I make it.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
إذا السماء انشقت
When the sky has split open
وأذنت لربها وحقت
and has listened to its Lord and was obligated to do so,
وإذا الأرض مدت
and when the earth has been extended
وألقت ما فيها وتخلت
and has cast out that within it and relinquished it,
وأذنت لربها وحقت
and has listened to its Lord and was obligated to do so.
يا أيها الإنسان إنك كادح إلى ربك كدحا فملاقيه.
O mankind, indeed you are laboring toward your Lord with great exertion and will meet it.
فأما من أوتي كتابه بيمينه
Then as for he who is given his record in his right hand,
فسوف يحاسب حسابا يسيرا
he will be judged with an easy account
وينقلب إلى أهله مسرورا
and return to his people in happiness.
وأما من أوتي كتابه وراء ظهره
But as for he who is given his record behind his back,
فسوف يدعو ثبورا
he will cry out for destruction
ويصلى سعيرا
and enter to burn in a blaze.
إنه كان في أهله مسرورا
Indeed, he had once been among his people in happiness.
إنه ظن أن لن يحور
Indeed, he had thought he would never return to Allah.
بلى إن ربه كان به بصيرا.
But yes, indeed, his Lord was ever of him seeing.
فلا أقسم بالشفق
So I swear by the twilight glow,
والليل وما وسق
and by the night and what it envelops,
والقمر إذا اتسق
and by the moon when it becomes full,
لتركبن طبقا عن طبق
that you will surely embark upon state after state.
فما لهم لا يؤمنون
So what is the matter with them that they do not believe?
وإذا قرئ عليهم القرآن لا يسجدون
And when the Quran is recited to them, they do not prostrate to Allah.
بل الذين كفروا يكذبون
But those who have disbelieved deny.
والله أعلم بما يوعون
And Allah is most knowing of what they keep within themselves.
فبشرهم بعذاب أليم
So give them tidings of a painful punishment.
إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم أجر غير ممنون.
Except for those who believe and do righteous deeds. For them is a reward uninterrupted.
Hopefully the video was useful, and if you like the video, subscribe the channel to see more inshallah. Allah Hafiz.